Hiya, this is Jason's Jungle. Today I'm going to move one of my gallows off the bed where I'm going to plant the rest of the garlic and onto another bed where I'm going to have beans next year. So I'll get along and I'll start digging the hole for that. Okay, I need to remove this thing, which has got a spike into the ground, so I'm going to loosen the soil first, near the spike, just to make it easier to pull up. The garlic and the elephant garlic I planted in modules is growing quite nicely. Some have grown longer than others. The extra early at the end you can see it's grown rumped away, whereas the some of the others haven't. Which one's this one? Iberian. But the important thing is, as you can see from this one, is they've all got roots. Also you can see that the elephant garlic is coming up as well, and they've all come. That's 9 of them. And what I'll do is I'll plant them out now. I'll give a sprinkling of bloodfish and bone and chicken pellets on this, and then plant these in the soil, mixing it in. So I'll get on with that. The first to go in will be my elephant garlic. So I'll just move the labels over and these placeholders to the plants. I've got 5 in one row, 4 in the other, alternating, giving a bit more space whilst getting as much as I can into the one row. And I'll just plant them deeper than they are in here, and we'll have a quick look at that one long root. Look at that, just perfect. So I'll just make a hole. Get my hands in there so I can get a nice plant it deeper than it was, so it's just shown through, and that should get itself down nicely. So I'll do the rest and then I'll get on with the next one. Okay, so the first garlic I'm going to put out, I mean, look at these. Yeah, they've got roots. First garlic I'm putting out is my Iberian Maddock. So Iberian Wight, yeah, it's a soft neck garlic. And this one's supposed to be, I think it was May, or June. Might have been June. Anyway, all my 3 varieties are a bit early to start to harvest than some of the main crops. Some of them have got 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'll get 3, 4 rows, 20. It'll be 5 per row. 3. I'll get 3 of these. So that's going to be 7, 6, 7. Okay, the battery died on that camera. Didn't have a spare battery, but luckily had a spare camera. Next lot to go in are going to be another soft neck, early purple Rhapsody, white. So again, by the name, they're an early one, and these have come on a bit further, as you can see here. And again, they've got some nice roots coming out. There's 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, yeah, 23 of these. So if I do them 6 inches apart, that'll give us 8 per row, with one row only 7. So I'll start popping these out of here. Just pop them on the surface for now. Come off. Well, that's because of all the wood we put down last year. It's all the mulch we're doing that's encouraging the fungus. Oh. Fungus is good. Oh. Fungus strands go out, yeah, and they're mixing with the roots, and the roots will give the fungus sugars, and the sugars will get all the nutrients from other places and bring them to the plant. So it works together, so having fungus is good. That's basically the equivalent of the apple to the fungus. It's the fruiting body. The fungus will be going on for miles underneath, because they're just like really, you know, when you look at the soil and you get really thin strands of light thread. Yeah, that's the fungus, and that helps the plants grow. So you've got that, and that's why I don't like digging and walking on them, because I like that to keep growing. Okay, and now just one lot to go. This one again is another early. This is early, extra early, which will be the earliest one to come up. Now the reason I'm using early ones is because I get a lot of rust later on in the year. So if I can get them to come earlier than, you know, the main crop, the normal crop, then that's better. Of course, that does mean the bulbs are probably going to be smaller, but I've never really had massive bulbs anyway. The rust's usually done them bad. So hopefully I'll get a reasonable crop of garlic before the rust kills them off and does them too much damage. So this one, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27. So that would be, yeah, 6, be 24, 3 to find the home for. So I'll do the same thing, pop these out. I'll just make a line along here, gives an indication whereabouts I'm going to be putting them. 1, 2, Okay, so that's all of me garlic done. I'm going to get the watering can, give it a good watering in, so let the soil soak down into the roots and fill up the space, and that's it. So this is the first time I'm starting my garlic off in autumn in modules, and I like the root system on them. They seem to have a nice root system, so I'm hoping that that'll start them off in good stead for the rest of the season. But anyway, if you've liked this, click like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, share, and leave comments below. Okay, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.